Welcome to Anthony's Cross-Threaded Garage. Today, I finally got my parts in the mail, the lifters and stuff for the speed truck.
But today we're doing the four wheelers. It's a brand new show.
Well, yeah, we're putting four wheelers together.
Yeah, we're doing.
I bought off Amazon. So.
Oh yeah, we bought them on Amazon, and mine's purple and beautiful. That's Dominic. It's red. It's like Spider-Man, but I can do this myself. It's really awkward. How am I going to do this out?
Yeah. Make sure enough there. Remember the other time to do it? Now you get me this all the way on. Alright, do the last one up there.
Good job, buddy.
Do the last one up there? Make sure your pocket's all the way on there, bud. Alright, good. Good job. I think you're going the wrong way, sweetie.
Oh.
See, that's righty-tighty. Let me get a lefty-loosey. Here.
Lucy.
Lefty-loosey, not loosey-loosey.
Up here?
That's your fun now, don't mess with it. Good. All right.
Oh, yeah!
Welcome to Anthony's Cross-Threaded Garage. Got my assistant here, Dominic. I'm not sure what I got on the last video. I I got the lifters for the truck, so I can start putting those together. But first things first, I got another mess in the garage, and I got to finish up Rosie's little four-wheeler. Yeah. So how will we get started on putting it, finishing it up, so we can clean up?
Okay. I cut this guy. I'll cut this guy.
Huh? Oh, that's right there. Yeah, but that's it. All right, Dominic, you want to show us how to take off that bracket right there?
Yeah.
All right. Where's your socket at?
I know. I know where you're at. Okay.
Go ahead. All right, do the other one.
I'll do that.
Keep going. Yep. Broken. What does the socket look like? Huh? No, it doesn't look like a sock. Yeah, that's a socket. That's a socket. Give me that tire.
Oh, daddy, oh, daddy, oh, daddy, oh, daddy, daddy.
That's good, buddy. That doesn't have no toilet paper. You still need to get out. Why don't you get out? All right, I got the fooler put together and it's outside. I don't know why it's been so hectic. I don't know. Maybe because I got kids. All right, next on this, I got to clean up my mounting surfaces, get the water out of the threads, locks of the bolt seat properly. There's a chance you can break the bolts and don't get proper torque. So I'm going to do that now, and also I'm going to soak my new lifters in oil so they get pumped up. All right, give me some new lifters. I'm just going to soak them in oil. They get pumped up, get oil through the needle burns and stuff so they don't run dry on that can. No, I ain't got quite enough oil in there. Dump a little more in there. Let's get our dial pin out of here. Now we get the dial pin removed. Let's go ahead and get the cylinders cleaned up. Alright. Always with the alright. Going to try to get this cam installed. Alright.
What?
My whole gas cam.
And I'll do right.
No, we do it right. Take some assembly lube. Just cover it. Yeah, fully covered. She's going in. All right, I got number one. I top dead center. Now I got my cam all lubed up. I'm just going to ease it in. There she is. Yeah, it's been like a month now. I'll get this plate. Really good seal. Try to get this motor put back together today. I don't know. Life's been coming up and getting in the way.
So guys, we're trying to do what we're going to do.
Pistons is top dead center. Number one's a top dead center. My sprocket's right. Now I gotta try to get my chain on and get it in time. There. Let's see if my bolts start. Perfect. Oh yeah, we're good on that. All right, so 11-second oil.
So I got my push rods in there too.
I know where it is.
I've already cleaned them. I'm gonna pick these out. Put them in their holders. Alright. I gotta put it in there now, I just gotta tighten it down. Got my new gasket installed. Try and put the head on, torque her down. Let's give her 3 passes. Manual how it does. Alright, they're snugged. Alright, I got this head on, pulled down. I haven't adjusted the rockers yet or tightened the torque sequence yet. I still got this other head here. Sit on. I'm gonna go ahead and torque it down. I'm gonna torque arms down sequence here because I got a top dead center. I'll let cross thread in action. Alright, rotate. Go my rocker's torqued. I'm gonna rotate to make sure there's no issues. Rotate to make sure there's no issues. Oh, I can't remember what I did there yesterday. I think it's been 300 days since I've started on this engine, I swear.
Yeah.
Dominic thinks he's going to help. With timing covers back on, I'm going to try to put this Chinese header on.
Yeah.
But the bolts that came with it are already too big, but I still got the old bolts, so we'll see if those work.
Yeah. The way don't work, right?
Yeah. So let's see if we can get that passenger side on.
Yeah.
China needs some persuasion. The holes don't line up. Just going to enlarge that back hole a little bit.
Yeah.
Make it fit. Now we're going to put the header on.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Right.
All right.
One more.
There it is installed. I think I had a bolt strip. Oh well. We'll see if it leaks.
Oh no!
Put this other header in. I had to give her a little bit of persuasion. But it's in. Now, I gotta try to assemble with this other Chinese piece of shit. Let me clean off my workbench area and try to get this thing on there. Put together first. I gotta clean up my workbench because this freaking shit pile. Alright, before I start up fitting the new intake, I need these old crappy injectors out of the old plastic intake, so let's go ahead and disassemble it. So I at least get the injectors out. There we go, my injectors. Gas everywhere. That's good. One injector. More gas. Oh, shit. Alright, get all my injectors out. The seals, I don't know, they're still squishy. I don't have any new ones, so. We have a common policy around here. It's called. So. Let's put that in.
The pepper was not hot.
Just green peppers.
Nope. So I didn't eat those. I ate red peppers, carrots, and...
Get them all in. Let's try to put this real one now. See what I need to keep spacers at. But these things, I think they're Mickey Mouse. The $100 eBay. Alright, now I'm going to tighten this up. There it is, put together. Good work. Yeah, then we'll put it in. What are you doing? I'll get my throttle body, intake, some wires plugged up. I gotta get the water pump on, see if it starts. If I get in a hurry though, the throttle body does not wire into this style of drive-by wire. I have to research it, see if I have to buy a whole other throttle body or if I can rewire the plug or what I want to do there. You're gonna torque these to what it believes, right? Hey, what? Ran into another problem. I guess I need to run that in the back. Fuel feed all the way in the front. I don't know. I don't like this setup at all. Put the radiator in, we still started. Let's put the radiator in. And putting this in. The transmission doesn't take all over the floor. Oh, lost my rubber. Gotta have a rubber. I swear it's been over a month I started this project. Putting this cam in. It's been over a month, feels like. See if it'll crank up here. These here run. I still got a bunch of work. There's clearance issues with the alternator, and there's also issues with the fuel line. Throttle body needs to be wired up correctly. So. So, it's gonna be loud. What the hell is this on for? Why are they all shutting off? Where? Damn. Bring him thunder. Go sizzle. Boo. Then get the truck started. Playing with the kids on their four-wheeler. We'll work on the speed truck maybe next weekend. Say bye, Dominic.
Don't get stuck in the mud.
Stop, go fast.
Don't get fast.
I like when you do that. Oh, wait! You're going to run me
Easy.
over.
All right.
Open these eyes, how they're hiding from the storm. Try to patch in all this hole, yeah, on my fucking dome. Tired of being an asshole, like you say. Too many bills, yeah, that I have to pay. Open these eyes, how they're hiding from the storm. Try to patch in all this hole, yeah, on my fucking dome. Tired of being an asshole, like you say. Too many bills, yeah, that I have to pay. You got what you wanted, well, I messed up.